Hey there, creators, and welcome to Post to Paid in 3 days. I'm going to be upfront right from the start because that's exactly what you need right now, don't you? These words you are about to hear come from the depths of my soul. I'm serious. I've experienced most all of the pains you're feeling right now, this journey, at this very moment. And I'm here to tell you that your mindset is what's holding you back. Anxiety, ADHD, some autoimmune disorder, pressure from your significant other or family member, others telling you you can't do this. It tends to wear on you, and you can't let it happen. This is not about having better tools. It's not about buying more courses. It's about making one decision. I'm going to stop overthinking and start posting. Right? You didn't join this sprint because you need more info. You joined because deep down, you know you've been playing small. And the only thing standing between you and that first post is you. You've probably said, I'll do it once I feel more confident. I don't know what to say. I'm not like them. I don't look good on camera. But that's not the truth. That's fear, disguised as logic. Overthinking kills creativity. Hesitation kills progress. So, what if I told you? You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to go viral. You don't even need to feel ready. You need to move. Because clarity doesn't come from thinking, it comes from doing. Let's rewire this. All right? We become what we think about, said by the famous Earl Nightingale. If you keep telling yourself, I'm not a content creator, I don't have what it takes, I'm not good enough, well, guess what? You'll prove yourself right every single day by not posting. But today that ends. You're here because you have something that people need. Your voice, your story, your way. There's someone out there right now searching for the exact message that you're sitting on. And if you don't show up, they'll learn it from someone else. Somebody else is going to tell that story. And that's not going to be your story. So let me ask you something bold. What if you succeed? What if today is the day that everything changes? Because the truth is, success doesn't come from one perfect video. It comes from showing up when it's awkward, unpolished, even scary, and doing it anyway. Clarity creates momentum, and momentum builds confidence. All right, so here's your move today. All right, watch this first lesson, use the template, and start building your belief with action. You need to implement what you learn. And that goes for anything. No one's coming to push record for you. But I'm right here, giving you the system, the path, and the fire. You've already got the spark. Let's light the fuse. See you inside.